When it comes to your heating and cooling system, there are a few numbers that can mean the difference between you wasting or pocketing a lot of cash. They're called energy efficiency ratings. There are a lot of different ratings out there for residential heating and cooling systems. They can seem a little complicated, but they are a big part of the decision-making process when considering any air conditioning or heating system. Let's see if we can clear things up. All heating and cooling systems use standardized rankings to measure energy efficiency levels. These include AFUE, SEER, and HSPF. These may seem like random letters, but understanding them could help you save some big numbers on your utility bills. First, let's take a few moments to look at AFUE, Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency. It's the golden standard by which the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers measures gas furnace energy efficiency. Understanding this rating is well worth the time. Let me show you why. This is $100. Let's say you plan to use it to pay your heating bill. You're getting $100 of warmth, right? Probably not. If your AFUE rating is 98, that means these $2 are lost to waste. That's not so bad. But what if your AFUE rating is 60, 50, or lower? Well, then you could be burning some serious cash. And now, let's focus on efficiency ratings for air conditioners and heat pumps by talking about SEER ratings and HSPF ratings. SEER, Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, and HSPF, Heating Seasonal Performance Factor. In general, SEER ratings are used to measure cooling efficiency for air conditioners and heat pumps, while HSPF ratings are used to measure heating efficiency for heat pumps. Unfortunately, there's no such thing as a standardized climate, so the energy efficiency best suited for your home and budget will vary. There's no one-size-fits-all universal number, so making sure the system you choose is properly installed is absolutely critical in finding the right numbers for where you live. In fact, the best number you can have is the number of your local independent HVAC dealer. They're local, so they'll know just what energy efficiency ratings you'll need to maximize the comfort in your home.
Thank goodness for Goodman.
These guys are good. Really good.